Hey everybody, Chad from Colorado Giants. September 11th, cooking up a whole chicken on the Traeger, looking delicious. Time for a quick update. Let's go see what's going on out here. So the weather has been, it's been really weird, man. It's been kind of, it started to cool off and then it really warmed up again, and then we were having some record highs. So it'll be in the 90s this week, and we're flipping September. Craziness. So let's check everything out real quick. We'll make it a quick one, just cause. Tooth is still hanging in there. We're gonna sow the cover crop here real shortly, but you know, really it's looking good. If this was a I don't know, man, that would go heavy. This pumpkin is just rock solid, like rock solid to the max. Then this 1937 Lorena is looking great, still growing nice and orange. The plant on this one still looks really nice up ahead of the pumpkin. You know, it looks okay. It doesn't look great. There's some, you know, the bug damage, and I sprayed the bugs. I took the vast majority of the bugs out, but that back half of the plant looks fantastic. And as we look at the Ceja pumpkins, you can see the smaller of the two, Ceja number 1. Got a touch of powdery mildew floating around, but not a whole heck of a lot. Oh my gosh, there's another pumpkin behind. For the first time I'm seeing there's this big pumpkin. I've never walked back here. Oh my gosh, and I can see why I haven't walked back here. Wow, this is actually a, holy crap, that's a big pumpkin. And then I've never seen this one, but back there is another one. And then there's another one. I wonder what plant this is off of, because there is some vine from the bigger pumpkin going over here. Crazy. But anyway, I digress. Trying to keep this a quick update. This plant's looking really good, and we're looking at the 1317. There's another pumpkin over here. Right there, and then there was one right there. Huh. Or rather, the 1718 Cejas. Let's go around and check it out from the other side. So everything's looking pretty good. I haven't measured in several weeks. Here's the plant. I was kind of lugging it out, but it was big and heavy, so let it dry out, and then it makes it easier for me to drag out to the compost pile. And we're walking. Chickens are doing what chickens do. Big grasshopper, haha, on the outside. Take that, Mr. Grasshopper. And we'll look at these ones real quick. So the 1713s, they're starting to turn to like a really pretty peachy color, which I kind of figured they would, given its lineage, even though it's taken a lot of the color from Dad's side. But yeah, so this one's still growing, still tall. This is probably up to my belly button or so, my belly button size. So it's well, I can tell you how tall it is. So let's see here. If we put that tape measure down on the ground like so, that pumpkin is about 40 inches tall. So we are just a few inches short of a 4-foot tall pumpkin. So it's looking great. There's another pumpkin in this plant. Oh my gosh. And the plant looks real good. All these plants look real good. So it's a really good plant. I would I crossed both of these with the 1937 back there, Urana, so I'm probably definitely going to grow one of those seeds next year, as well as others. I was started saying I'm only going to go 2 next year, but now I'm kind of thinking 3, and we'll try 3 again, because I'm an addict and I don't know if I could just do 2. But that's it for now, guys. The garden's, you know, it's there. The gourds are going pretty good. You can, if you're eagle-eyed, you can see a gourd over there. They're growing. And that's about it. Questions, comments, queries, concerns? Go ahead and post them below. Like the video, share it with a friend, and let me know how your pumpkins are doing or your garden. I'd love to see how other people are doing. We'll talk to you next time, guys.